Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to position yourself for the EXABITS airdrop. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. Don't skip any parts. If this is your first time of watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel for videos like this. Here you're going to see the EXABITS Twitter account, and you will see we don't just resell compute, we create it at the pinnacle of crypto AI with boundless innovation. Now make sure you pay close attention to whatever I'm going to be doing in the video. There's nothing difficult here, everything is easy and simple. So click on the first link in the description of this video. You're going to be taken to their official website, and once you're here, you have to first of all create an account. You enter your username, enter your email address, click on get verification code, and the code will be sent to you. Enter your verification code down here, enter your password, confirm your password, agree to the terms and condition, and click on register, and your account is going to be created successfully. This is how to create an account. Now I will log into my account and show you guys how to complete your tasks to position yourself for this airdrop. I have successfully logged into my account, and over here you're going to see my username Emmiesworld 9. You're going to see the dashboard, the mission, and the rewards. And over here you will see welcome to EXABITS. Join our vibrant community incentive program and start earning valuable rewards points, your key to unlocking exclusive EXA airdrop rewards. Now click on mission over here, and you have to complete some tasks to earn points. Here you have to join the EXABITS Telegram. You do that, join, learn about EXABITS, invite your friends to follow EXABITS on Twitter, follow EXABITS on Twitter, invite your friends to join EXABITS Telegram. So complete all those tasks and your points will be updated, and you can come here every day to see if there are new tasks for you to complete. You can also click on my rewards over here to see how many points you have earned and how you're earning your points. So I've not completed the tasks. I'm going to do that right after this video. So click on mission over here and complete the basic tasks. They also have a Zealy task for you guys to complete. Click on any of these tasks here. You're going to be taken to Zealy.io, where you need to basically complete the tasks to earn points. Here you will see the Zealy tasks. You have to invite your friends to follow EXABITS on Twitter. You're going to earn 50 XP. Invite friends to join EXABITS Telegram. You're going to earn 50 XP. So complete the two tasks available so you can position yourself for this airdrop. And for your information, you are early if you're participating right away, so don't waste time. Create an account, share your link, and complete all the tasks available, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more legit videos like this.